Gender-based violence, or GBV, is violence against someone based on their gender. It is rooted in gender inequality and harmful attitudes about the roles of women and men in society. Because of this, women and girls are at much higher risk of GBV.
Ali from Palau, this is Ada Al, addressing issues on gender-based violence, gender equality, and sexuality, brought to you by Ministry of Human Resource, Culture, Tourism, and Development in collaboration with the International Organization for Migration. Thank you for joining us today on episode 3 of the GBV Media Series. I'm your host, Giru Kanai, and today I have with me Vice Speaker of the 9th Olbi Rangaro Umulbay, Stephanie Poon Oime. Thank you for joining us, Poon. And today's topic is actually females in politics. So for anybody that's getting to know you for the first time through this series, can you kind of share a little bit of your background and how you became interested in politics?
Okay, so lang iru. Before gumula di gurang asulem martelte al Ministry ra HRCTD ma IOM for this opportunity gukme talk about GBV and female in politics. May lukor as evel lukor di discusser lalsin.
Thank you.
So a little background nga mil elem logor blue ray dalagar di ray mabalilyo tamaga buigrang arsu le di gal ray Ak malagi ka dito, miluro lang mo klo, ak tilo dara school, IOM elementary school, mil mora Palau high school, and then ak lora tayo nga Buluan Brigel. After tayo nga ak Bela, ulsis ak Palau high school for 2.5 years. Ang malari nga passion nga ulsis ak, rarangal our youth, so ak malara Palau high school ulsis ak for 2.5 years, and then ako decided and so almuto mal school so ak lora UH Manoa. Almlo malar sa longerong al daw tayo nga malar hawa lom lumisay mo man school ulurio mala experience nga exposure for 11 years.
Wow.
Malar hawa 11 years milungo daw dudel leknem nga sa tarasil sen so almuto return Belau, give back to my community mabalwa Belau. So akmle return home at 2016 and then 2018 I'm learning sing Kirabalu with the support of Adrabli, Marsa Ali, Mar Adrabalu, ito sa mga mother siyang Cleming. Lamo although gerele building guk mla more sel daw als amil malaikal dru alraboy. So koramle nervous, koramle madak, korne unsure. Hindi ko so I got the al mga damong imsub. Tial stove subrak langar so akli yang kleg and fortunately aklo sa egal nga tara dru alregel 15 kingal ra olbi ang umulbar sel 8th olbil. So akmilamol malngar alsel like I said, ang lebes al tokol nga nar alsel emsub mal logro passion nga kalgirel. Makmal milsuber or maklo mar mle magatirtal nga alsel atrabalu different mentors akmal mil namtigan niya sa malsokan nga passion nga kalgirel politics. Maktiregal last year at 2022 I'm learning sa next sa Kirabalu ray maklilutal mother siyang kleg fortunately aklilutal kilutal masa so hindi ka first hindi ka bol 1 year game nga obis it's my second term kal 9th olbi ng umalbay colleagues nga ok nilital mo na officer so vice speaker kung nga sir officers mar role legislator sa mga delegates sa Baluray ray. So ako naray krel timlak shirt more alsel and then ako build their cell capacity nga alsel mal mo so toil mal so mo show on nga sir at ma balu especially balwadray ray mal enjoy mal mol nga alsel on nga sel margal kurba bal sa bel kilala klung la balu maratay ray.
Thank you for sharing that. Dimla ko nangyal wasel 2016 na wan mala katinga man mo sa Israel Olbil.
2018.
Oh, 2018.
Yeah.
Ngaramle platform ka or I get ko ramle so me remura temem as a legislator.
Sulang a question. Nebetok hindi narrow down and mo first off self sustain abaluray. Neswal si makara idol na Sarah Kapernor, ma administration do siga ka rule te al me mu lol nga sel smisi a government gid sa dal di mo gid law malu mga tmok le rabalwat mang say gid of course en ko der gid la sing makarati bol gid lakatawla help pra national government si black grant but I'm sure ko dir ka bral more sager dir ko uspe anges hindi ga ay ga ko sir gid sa dro labalu malisi ay gel existing or lease program lagi kita ko tal maklol lol sis ba revenue rabalwat lease program makada malisi yamang low gid a lease te al more other day mar other bela los pe adalong ok like get dire kalol tu a revenue sul merabalu so gid mga about the self sustain el dil gid el losiga development ma anges or outside ma al sel bela mga tmokabelwat so that was one ongerung modangelo sing tora youth ma education or ma award like mal dear to my heart mal maliw dar lu ay ga ako number 1 ng platform nga kalo say makaradol nga sir our youth or nga sa kairay mabalur belaw almo nga school ma school roy de may return back give pa kalmo ang community mga tolisi at ko ra youth programs sila kada nga lo say balwada mal na moklo adal nga drugs or ngal suicide name it mal bato ka problems or challenges our youth so aktilu mo la sa mga ulisi erusi anges lo nga sir nga ligef makukora kodi mo share gel kukora
yeah I was gonna ask what kind
kodi
of
mo share alla algora giblam gatmok olbi ang bayar sa orak pong larngi makupes al giblam rule el malut kal gidela youth my education so right now nga ringi scholarship giblam gatmakli or kaltmok kal gidela graduating seniors ang algairay
wow
yeah.
all seniors
sa balur bela nga algairay to apply it's not much it's 1,500
so that's still money for someone that doesn't have any job
yeah to be all award that thrill recipient so usually $500 each I mean enough for a laptop my books and
to get yourself started
yes so siya nga ringim lam katmok 2018 17 will mul sa igit so siya nga ringi every year magidi mga leerar nga ligay dalo sa bom apply the first year nga adim lang sa nga awareness man makasal nga or dim lang nga apply but years go by ang mal na mo back kal time hindi nga ringi applicants nga recipients so siya malmol 1,500 malmol maldiwa child scholarship office aro will application ng say yes you see what deadline and the July PNSP ang aral select based on a criteria kung maaari tabdil more tier maanges sortir ito ko choose or center ng algalmen then ayuk master sa gida scholarship so that's one ang erol dire giblam kat maklira ol bi gida dire gyol nga sir IRA Elementary School. I know nga under Ministry of Education. Every year I gyol to $3,500. El ruk all nga sir school right I gyol ka day-to-day operations or tier.
Nice.
Ngal sa sir whatever ngal uspe ma school uspe. Say at 12 the principal ang proposal ni requester ni mga governor and then ito all to so each year, principal ma school have that $3,500 help per tier.
Nice.
So sa dire lang sa education,
improvements as they see
yes.
fit. Okay.
Yes. And then onge dire nga ringi yes well every year help tel IRA Aces baseball team.
Yes, IRA Aces. Sorry not to be biased.
So sa dire la algibam got maklilang nga sir baseball team el promote you know promote sports
physical activity
yes physical activity madangelo say you know kaya national sport blue bela dire mal kadulbang kadulm champions for so many years
yeah,
I think
champions in my
I think 10 years in a row one time
yeah
so semel mol non nga sir tier despite to win or lose it's there to help pay all nga sir uniforms fees equipment tier o spare every year.
Nice.
So say another la algim gat makli nga sir baseball team gid. And then lastly last alolbi lagi git makli dire kalnges will help support any sport programs or tournaments and more sorry nges nga sir sport programs and social events. Karangal rairai. So igagidal ko at softball tournament, OBF dances. Ligel tira to dal mom rairai. Asi we agil tabadia $5,000 every year. Say at to badal nga siya igagidal wa fees tir legal tournament have like fees, bat fees, uniform, equipment, tungir ngarang klel madira kal dil sports but dira social events rabalu, yes. So sa dira kal milgot mokal supporter ngayasa marang algedra balu rairai. Gagidal hook activities mga leer the active, engaged, involved sports balu.
That's so awesome, man. Yeah. I'm just smiling because even though I'm already married out, but I'm really appreciative of like you sharing all these accomplishments, especially the scholarship opportunity. So I'll definitely reach out to PNSP to get that information so we can advertise it a little bit more. Overall, as far as and we don't have to get too detailed, but if you can share experience working in the different political parties or interest groups in Palau?
Yes. So before I answer with part of our accomplishments, well, it's not an accomplishment yet. So governor Mamarura like a youth center, ma old age center Blu-ray. It's been our goal sa last olbil ma olbil o say makaral give help para governor. Ito siga helper mura gigidelo akum das so igel borngina belung malung suterp to kal ngayas marang alget so aktiso kal on gigidelo say it's in the works and the facilities are belung mga trial improve ang revolvable basketball court in the process.
Yes, we can see that happening now.
Maselyel a basketball court sen already mela yukto siga nges will get a light sa mansel marang alangarngi sel kapsangay. So igida ko maral lurior elang and hope to see was tarak labasera armada ding marula gigidel centers and more ngas kumar mawala.
Nice. Sel youth center ngara ko mo moktel gigidel center.
Elang ayra ang arngia youth ngil BSL departmental gidiregal blem tiragal awal basal sharing but said lang kaya last administration magidiregal iralla almo create while blarngia ko a coordinator youth coordinator before ko di based whatever nges will may or programs and then a governor assigned but agimle asker ngira last tour in the last term was say medralil mo department mga number nga department of youth right.
Nice.
So we have a youth coordinator ma one ramoktel marur sel center sing mo baser say make sure ngang arse plan na yearly activities la bagela school right mabalu I mean Royal youth reps or whatever guk ngaringi balu amaru lagi dal programs ma activities la nga sir nga so sige da ko mo
I like that.
Yeah.
Actually, one of the things that we're working on at Division of Youth and Career Development is working with the state youth reps. Mleongit was a boring structure youth designated because what we noticed was that kadang stretch ourselves to fill different positions. Youth but listening to what you've been sharing, it seems like mal active atel obisra state and objectives and more youth. So I'm so excited and I'll have to definitely get in touch with you guys over at IRA State assisting sharing grants that are available to these
yes
objectives.
Please the goleras obisra governor and the to ko isa sa taong youth division and then share information.
All right, thank you. So what experiences working with different political parties or interest groups in Palau can you share?
Sulang arsel malungilger tiragal na mabtol reach out like uspe anges like especially Olvir Orior, other states kata share a best practice lagi da diragal tilu ay mga masub o siga rolel compare contrast ay guk la malubeng programs dangal me guk mas alukra mo atter community rigid. So, yes, ak na reach out to more different colleagues, different friends, nga raigal drual, o spe anges, you know, like I said, I do a lot of research. So far, it's been really positive. Ito gigay nga sell back and forth, and that's at the end of the day, katakay nga sell, kato siga klunya lela nga laged mapalwater belaw eh. So, yes, so sa igita ko kora the experiencer nga dire kal mal klol nga so ato lang ngira aklolol bil. Plol last talol bilak me ngara education and youth committee ra irai I mean aktir nga ngi indi cook nang another role makmal blol me aska helper national senator agitaya rest in peace but yeah ngi naman help lang yok ne chairman ra youth ra klolol bil and then mo senator kasugi taps aktir nga mal blol aska help and tira talgo to nga like kaigel guk nges or programs nga so kan marura blura irai al uben guk nga ligedra balwader belau as a whole they never fail to help and provide me that support so national government dire al malol nga seo sel reach out al mortir even the National Olympic Committee I know I worked there but you know said dire al tara oya al sedal mo ogiungi aska help sport programs al merigal balwade to provide our clinics and outreach al morabalu
can cook the hotel piano in Sabir Adrabalu, like a youth organization or other NGOs come and reach out to PNOC as well?
Of course, yes. Ikan ngaringi existing program, di me ase al school. What do you need help with a PE program or gukti somyo agi merong gukti specific sport program like basket ang barebor ang arang. Sa mil me youth director mil Marigal National Federation sa ngaringa ongara aringi. And then akong filaber sing somya ngaral date ngarakmal specific somya lero gimol sis ak is it training of coaches you know putting planning and organizing an event I guess amal mal ngaringil muil del klol ngesos amal helping in morabalu so I gave that ukora.
That's really cool that you're looking from two sets of eyes, I would say, or maybe even more because the other committee PNOC going in the community that way, and also state level on the policy making. So yes. I really like how you're meshing both together to really put your platform and other objectives into action. So that's really cool and inspiring. Yes. And also shout out to Senator Sung. You know, he also Moral advocate tra youth, and we were actually working together as well on the youth policy ngora the vice and American mom madiragal PNY the coming to be NGO. We're going to recreate the PNYCC so hopefully that we can tie that all in together.
I see.
So before we wrap up, what do you believe are the key skills and qualities required to be a successful politician in Palau for anyone in Corazon youth career path?
Okay, so lang. I think role to ko as edel di mura alsel. I know the obat ko ra nga mo alo se radi lang ra apply sure da lang ok umro ngal ke mga tare wa tulungal kan mol mutra o ngal ma akablil yar sa altirigay nga osigat riore etiria forefront tra government o siga ngaral me family. But I think el albuladeng namugire del both sa almardil maigal dru alboy etwo the be a voice all nga seo lek malengelo aseng gira del share egal roles and responsibilities ser gidra balu etra el mover selo aser di la giril ding arablay because I know malengay malengelo aseng you know sabeet we can why not like Senator Piantos he said why not so you know why not go out there the start to be a voice and get restart the population apalwal marangalaged marangayask and pretty much everything that's we're capable. So with some qualities, I think you just have those leadership skills, you know, action speaks louder than words. Let's do it and not just sit and talk about it. So have some action, be a voice, get out there, represent, and then be of something, make a difference in your community. So I gave you some skills. You know, being a public servant, you have to be transparent. Okay? Giremel mobius amadam promote the government. Because at the end of the day, تقدر بالوضع شرطي. كالغوت الدير ميل morning الغوت الأوض الأذرة apply أبواي. So at the end of the day, كوسيجا best interest المرتي يجيد الغام الشرطي. Be transparent, have leadership skills. I think أدير الskill being goal oriented. Have a platform. Make sure check and balance. See where you are. Keep going. You know. Make sure to achieve the goals اللي set, both personal and professional. I think those are some of the attributes we need to step out and be active in our roles for our society and make a difference.
All right. Yeah. Thank you so much, Vice Speaker Poon. Honestly, after doing this interview, I saw to reach out after to talk about other things in relation to the youth because I'm inspired that I marul kami adra ulbira or umalbay and to anybody tuning in and watching, if they wanted to approach you with any project, or what would be the best way if they wanted to get the help from the state, the community project?
Okay, so lang, nga PNOC, Monday to Friday, if they want to reach me, then 488-4491. Dire olbira gida ngar umalba second floor state government. Ngar office governor sa second floor. Ngar tool staff ngar sel dire Monday to Friday. So if ngar niya adal ngar niya karil or ospe angya, so please feel free to come into the office or office ngar order maira ngar niya staff ngar ngar say. Even the state government administration at the Marcel help their doors are open malsunguk marnya rukel gire labalu mate al maruknya, so please stop in anytime.
All right. Yeah. Thank you so much again, and thank you everybody for tuning in. Make sure you join us on the next episode.
Sulang.